Welcome to a journey exploring the latest innovations revolutionizing the trucking industry. In this video, we'll dive into groundbreaking technologies and smart solutions that are reshaping the way we transport goods. From advanced safety features, like DAF's digital vision system, to ingenious designs such as Rearflow, developed through collaboration between Mercedes-Benz Trucks and Schmidt's Cargo Ball. Each segment brings a unique contribution to making trucks safer, more efficient, and comfortable. But before we start, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. DAF Digital Vision System. DAF introduces its cutting-edge digital vision system, a significant advancement in trucking technology, going beyond mirror replacements. The system enhances safety on highways and in loading areas. Options include displaying lines for gauging distances during overtaking and maneuvering, providing a broad rear trailer view during turns. The system ensures compliance with visibility regulations, signified by a special icon when the view is correct, seamlessly integrating comfort and innovation. DAF's digital vision system sets a new standard in trucking safety and efficiency, marking a noteworthy stride forward in the industry. Stoneridge SideEye. The Stoneridge SideEye, a Dutch innovation, addresses truck blind spots by becoming a crucial lifesaver for drivers. With 70% of accidents stemming from blind spots, this system employs radar and camera technology, displaying images on a 7-inch screen. It provides comprehensive awareness. An acoustic signal alerts drivers to the presence of cars, pedestrians, cyclists, or other road users in the blind spot, enhancing overall safety. This technological solution not only mitigates risks associated with blind spots, but also exemplifies a proactive approach to preventing accidents, showcasing the value of advanced systems in enhancing road safety and protecting both drivers and other road users. Betterflow Rearflow. Behind the creation of Rearflow, a collaboration between Mercedes-Benz Trucks and van or trailer manufacturer Schmidt's Cargo Ball, lies innovative design. Engineered for optimal aerodynamics, the truck features special plates unfolding at 60 kV to minimize turbulence, cutting fuel consumption. The expertise of both entities is evident in the significant 8 to 9% reduction in fuel usage achieved through these aerodynamic enhancements. This marks a remarkable advancement with potential implications for broader-scale fuel efficiency. Rearflow stands as a testament to the power of collaborative ingenuity, demonstrating how strategic design adjustments can yield substantial benefits in the realm of commercial trucks. Lippert In-Wall Truck Slide-Out System. To address the lifestyle of truckers spending more time on the road than at home, Lippert introduces the In-Wall Truck Slide-Out System. Developed by the Lippert team, this retractable in-wall module, mentioned at the outset, allows users to maximize cab space and bring a touch of home on their journeys. With an annual production of approximately 150,000 modules, Lippert caters to the needs of truckers, emphasizing comfort and functionality. Additionally, versions of this system are available for motorhomes, showcasing Lippert's commitment to providing innovative solutions for individuals seeking enhanced living experiences on the road. Sleeper Pod. The Sleeper Pod, a notable addition to in-wall modules, is a sleeping module specifically designed for direct use on the roof. These modules have gained popularity and are compatible with vans like the Mercedes Sprinter and trucks, such as the Scam-P drivers benefit from a luxurious 213 hex 67 temp mattress, tinted windows, velour upholstery, and electrical amenities. The incorporation of these features not only enhances comfort, but also caters to the practical needs of drivers, providing a cozy and functional space for rest during journeys. The Sleeper Pod stands out as a versatile and well-designed solution for those seeking comfort on the road. SAF Tire Pilot Plus. The SAF Tire Pilot Plus system addresses tire wear issues by automatically monitoring and adjusting tire pressure. Tire edges wear out faster when pressure is below normal, while higher pressure increases tension, causing more wear in the contact patch. To alleviate the hassle of frequent pressure checks, the Tire Pilot Plus system intervenes, ensuring uniform pressure across all tires. This not only promotes longer tire life, but also contributes to a reduction in fuel consumption. The technology offers a convenient and proactive solution, exemplifying how automated systems can enhance the longevity of tires and improve overall fuel efficiency for vehicles. Liquid X Liner. The Liquid X Liner is a versatile trailer capable of transporting both liquids and bulk cargo simultaneously, offering the advantage of reducing the frequency of empty truck trips. Testing such an unconventional trailer for stability is facilitated by representatives from the German expert organization, TÜV. Their expertise ensures a thorough evaluation of the trailer's stability and functionality. This innovative solution caters to the efficiency of transportation, allowing for a more flexible and resource-effective approach in the logistics of liquid and bulk cargo transport. The collaboration with TÜV underlines the commitment to ensuring the safety and reliability of this dual-purpose trailer. RoadAds Interactive. RoadAds Interactive revolutionizes advertising by placing 0.9 x 5 meters panels on vans, a collaborative effort by RoadAds Advertising, vision software specialists, and Mercedes-Benz experts. These panels, resistant to dust and moisture, utilize electronic ink for daytime visibility without blinding drivers. At night, content is downloaded via 4G and Wi-Fi, incorporating GPS coordinates. These dynamic panels run on the vehicle's power, offering a unique and innovative approach to mobile advertising. The collaboration highlights the intersection of advertising, technology, and automotive expertise, showcasing a creative solution that enhances visibility and engagement, while maintaining practicality for both advertisers and road users. Transport, Power In-Lock. Kllm Transport's Power In-Lock cargo anti-theft protection system surprises potential thieves by locking trailers from the inside. Equipped with security pins, the system records all openings and closings, aiding drivers in establishing and proving cargo integrity. This innovative solution not only deters theft, but also provides a reliable means to monitor and maintain cargo security, ensuring transparency and accountability throughout the transportation process. The Power In-Lock system stands as a robust safeguard for cargo protection, enhancing overall security measures for freight transportation. Blue Giant Strongarm HVR303. The Blue Giant Strongarm HVR303 presents a robust loading solution for areas requiring secure and efficient maneuvering. Designed for post-maneuvering, the Strongarm system adeptly grabs and securely holds trailers, effectively managing loads of up to 14.5 tons. Notably, it can lock damaged trailers in place, showcasing its resilience and adaptability in various scenarios. This system streamlines the loading process, providing reliability and strength in securing trailers, even those with impairments. The Blue Giant Strongarm HVR303 stands out as a dependable and powerful tool for drivers in loading areas, offering efficiency and stability for handling diverse cargo loads. Fuel Guard. Leaving trucks unattended while filling out bills presents a prime opportunity for fuel thieves. However, a foolproof defense system has emerged to thwart their intentions. Already installed in thousands of tractors from manufacturers like Scania, Ford, Volvo, and others. This system proves 100% effective against theft. Its robust design and implementation ensure disappointment for would-be thieves attempting to capitalize on the vulnerability of unattended trucks during bill processing. This defensive measure not only safeguards against fuel theft, but also contributes to the overall security of valuable assets, offering peace of mind for truck owners and operators. XL Specialized Trailers. XL Specialized Trailers introduces a specialized trailer designed for transporting wind turbine blades, proving its prowess in the niche. With an impressive length that extends up to 56 meters and can further reach 61 meters with various upgrades, this trailer showcases remarkable flexibility without compromising reliability. The trailer effortlessly handles loads of up to 40.8 tons, emphasizing its robust capabilities. Operating the XL Specialized Trailer is made easy with a dedicated remote control, and detaching hydraulic hoses is a breeze, thanks to the detachable design. This innovation stands as a testament to efficiency and adaptability in the transportation of oversized and delicate wind turbine components. As we conclude our exploration of cutting-edge advancements in the trucking world, we've witnessed how innovation is steering the industry towards a safer, more efficient future. Join us again for more insights into the exciting developments shaping the road ahead. Safe travels!